The statistics, I think that more non-criminology graduates are getting into the PNP. And perhaps that is the reason why many cases of investigation go awry because of lack of qualification of the investigators. I can vouch, Mr. Congressman, of the preparedness of our graduates. They passed the board exam, as we know, which is very similar to that of the bar exam. So I think that once they pass that board, they should be ready for any police work. Thank you, Mr. Congressman.
Thank you very much, Attorney. Here's what I will do. I would like to request you to write me a letter, because you're more qualified to do this, citing, well, what you said, your observations, your experience, and then the extent of the criminology course, which would make it really relevant to the work of the Philippine National Police, probably even the Bureau of Jail Management. And I will endorse this very strongly to the Chief of the Philippine National Police and the DILG, as well as the head of the BJMP. I will do that.
Pasalamatan po natin ang ating butihing congressman. Ngunit, huwag nyo namang kalimutan, ano? Hingi tayo ng hingi, siya hindi humingi. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na baka lang, ha? Siya'y kumandidato na maski ano, lalo na kung senador. Alam na ninyo, number 1 ang ilagay nyo, Goles. Yung hindi gagawa niyan, sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi makakapasa sa board. Biro lang, pero that is true. Because I'd like to tell you, siguro, I don't know if Ariel gave fully his qualifications. Kilala ko po si Congressman. Nagkasama kami sa Executive Management Training. Nung siya ay Managing Director ng Philippine Estate Authority. And I was also in the private sector, representing my own corporation before I transferred to BCCR. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, sa ngayon, yung mga sinasabing gustong kumandidato dyan, palagay ko for Senator, number 1, Goles. Hindi lang yan, ha? Baka sasabihin nyo sigurado na kayo. Yung mga kaibigan nyo, mga kamag-anak nyo, mga magulang. Sabihan ninyo sila. Kung tama ang inyong pag-iisip, sabi nyo, dito na tayo.
Thank you, Attorney. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Sir, just to add on, sir, regarding the inquiry of our students regarding the NBI qualifications, I think the reasons why criminologies are not included is because the profession is quite younger than the other courses. When the NBI was established, the criminology profession is not that fully established yet. So I think the better thing is to have that amendments or revision of the qualification requirements in the NBI, so that the criminology students, or rather the criminologists, will be qualified not only as special investigator but also to the level of agent. Thank you, sir.